Yes, you're welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you one of the greatest strategy you can be able to use while you are running your TikTok ads to get rich and ready to pay customers, ready to buy from you immediately. Now, if you're new to this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification icon so that YouTube can be able to suggest this video to people who need help just like you. Thank you very much. And also, my name is Ayotolani. If you don't know me before, now you know me. For those who have subscribed to this channel before, thank you very much and I appreciate it. Now, whenever you are trying to run your TikTok ads, it is important that you understand that targeting is the key to you getting more sales on TikTok ads, maybe to your dropshipping store, to your products or services. Now, aside the targeting, I am going to show you one of the key things that will guarantee you getting in front of high classy people. Now, whenever you get to your TikTok ads manager, you scroll down to the targeting option, ad set settings. You have to scroll down, and once you scroll down to the last part, you are going to get to the device targeting. Now, the device targeting is one of the beautiful targeting you can ever use in your TikTok ads that will enable you get in front of those who love luxury. Now, when you get to that device targeting, you actually click on the device name or the device brand and choose iPhone version of the phone. You actually click on those who are using from iPhone 14 and iPhone 15. You also go up a little bit. You click on those who have high spending power. And when you use these two metrics, coupled with the behavior targeting, you are going to get massive sales. Now, listen to me very carefully. You have to be able to get your behavior and interest targeting as well, coupled with this kind of powerful strategy I just showed you. I'm not going to be showing you any targeting because I do not know your business, but for those who are interested in crafting out an audience while you use it with this strategy that I just showed you, you can be able to chat me on WhatsApp using the same number on the screen or the link in the description box that leads to WhatsApp, and I'll be able to craft out a very good targeting for you that is only specific to those who are interested in that particular product one by one. Do you understand? Who are interested in that product, and by so doing, you are going to use it with this strategy and you will be able to get massive sales. Okay, so you can chat me up. Let me know if you have any problem with TikTok ads, paying for TikTok ads in Nigeria, or any difficulty with Instagram, Facebook ads, Google ads, and much more. I am here to help you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you on the next video. Peace out.